Now let's find the value of the following 15 items solving simple linear equations. Number 1, n plus 2 equals 6. So this is n plus 2 equals 6. We have to deduct 2 to both sides para ma-isolate na si n dyan. And this is 6 minus 2 equals 4. So n equals 4. Let's double check. N plus 2 equals 6. N is equals to 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Next, number 2. Z minus 5 equals 6. Let me rewrite it. Z minus 5 equals 6. So we have to add both sides ng 5 para ma-cancel si 5 dito at ma-isolate na si Z dyan. And that is 6 plus 5 equals 11. So Z equals 11. Let's double check. Z minus 5 equals 6. Z equals 11 minus 5, and that is 6. 11 minus 5 is equals to 6. Number 3. 3 minus A equals 2A. First, ipagsama natin yung dalawang A. Isolate si 3 dito. Both sides, mag-add tayo ng plus A para makancel si A dito. And it will be 3 equals 2A plus A is 3A. Kasi ang mga variables, mayroon niyang mga pag walang numbers before ng mga letters, ibig sabihin may coefficient yan na 1, automatic yan, may 1 yan. So 3 equals 3A. Para ma-isolate si A dito, we will divide both sides by 3. So ma-cancel na ito. And this one, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 equals A. So A is equals to 1. Let's double check. 3 minus A is equals to 1 equals 2. And A is equals to 1. And this is 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. So our answer is correct. It is 1. Number 4. 2x minus 20 equals 10. So first, i-transpose natin si 20 sa kabila. Paano mag-transpose? Mag-add ka ng 20 to both sides para makancel si 20 dito at nandito na siya sa kabila. 10 plus 20, that is 30. Tapos, para ma-isolate si x dyan, mag-divide tayo ng 2 to both sides. Kung ano yung dinivide mo sa kabila, yan din ang gagawin mo sa kabila. And this is equals to 1. So, bali, x na lang siya. Equals 30 divided by 2. And that is 15. So, x is equals to 15. Let's double check. 2x. So, 15 minus 20 equals 10. And this is 30 minus 20 equals 10. So, 30 minus 20, that is 10. So, our answer is correct. 2x plus 18 minus 19. And that is 2x equals 19 minus 18. Kasi nag-minus tayo ng 18 to both sides para ma-cancel out ito. And then 2x equals 19 minus 18. That is 1. So, para ma-cancel out itong 2 dito at mapunta na sa kabila at ma-isolate si x dito. So, we divide both sides by 2. And that means x is equals to 1/2 or 0.5. Number 6. 4x equals 72. So, 4x equals 72. Para ma-isolate si x dyan, so we will divide 4 to both sides. Bali, x na lang ang tira. 72 divided by 4, and that is 18. So, to double check, 4x is equals to 18. So, 4 times 18 equals 72. So, tama. Number 7. 1 over x equals 1/5. Bali, mag-cross multiply lang tayo. And that is 5 equals x. Paano? Detalye lang natin para sa mga nalilito. And that is x, 1, 5. So, para ma-cancel out si 5 dito, both sides, mag-multiply tayo ng 5. So, wala na si 5 dyan. Nandito na si 5. So, that means 5x equals 1. Para makancel out si x dyan, mag-multiply tayo ng x to both sides. So, cancel out na si x dito, andito na si x. And that is 5 equals x. So, x here is equals to 5. Number 8. 2y plus 6 equals y plus 11. First, ipagsama natin yung mga pareho. Like terms. So, 2y minus y, kasi nag-minus tayo ng y dito, to both sides. Kaya na-cancel na siya dyan, nandito na siya sa kabila. So, that is minus y equals 11 minus 6. Kasi nag-minus tayo ng 6 to both sides, kaya para ma-cancel siya dyan, at nandun na siya sa kabila. And this is 2y minus y, that is 1y or y lang. Pareho lang yan. 11 minus 6, and that is 5. So, y is equals to 5. Number 9, y plus 10 equals 13 minus 74. So, ganun din ipagsama natin ang mga like terms. And that is 10 plus 74. Kasi nag-plus tayo ng 74 to both sides para makancel si 74 dito. And then 13, y minus y, kasi nag-minus tayo ng y to both sides para makancel siya dyan. And that is 10 plus 74, 84. 13 minus y is 12y. So, para makancel out ulit si 12 dito at ma-isolate si y dyan, i-transpose natin by dividing both sides by 12. So, wala na si 12 dyan kasi nag-divide tayo ng both sides. And nandito na si 12. So, 84 divided by 12, and that is 7. Number 10. If x plus 7 equals 16, then what is the value of 8x minus 72? First, isolve muna natin ito. X plus 7 equals 16. So, mag-transpose tayo. Mag-deduct tayo ng 7 sa both sides. Ma-cancel out na yan, isolate na si x dyan. So, 16 minus 7, and that is 9. So, ang value ng x is equals to 9. So, 8, x is equals to 9 minus 72. Then, 8 times 9 equals 72 minus 72, that is 0. So, ang answer dito ay 0. Number 11. X minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3 equals 0. All we have to do is ipagsama ang mga like terms, itong x. And that is 3x. Ito naman, and that is negative 6 equals 0. Again, para mas lalong maintindihan, gawin nating addition lahat. X plus negative 1 plus x plus negative 2 plus x plus negative 3. So, ipagsama ang mga like term, tatlong x, and that is 3x, plus tatlong negative 1 plus negative 2 and negative 3, and that is negative 6. Equals 0. Or this can be written as 3x minus 6 equals 0. So, i-transpose natin si 6 dyan. That means, mag-add tayo ng 6 to both sides. 3x. Kasi pag-add natin ng 6 sa both sides, this will become 0. Wala na. So, 0 plus 6, that is 6. So, 3x equals 6. Mag-transpose ulit tayo para ma-isolate si x dyan. So, mag-divide tayo ng 3 to both sides. So, wala na si 3 dito. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. That means, x is equals to 2. Number 12. The sum of two numbers is 25. Two numbers. Let A be the first number and the second number is B equals 25. One of the numbers exceeds the other by 9. So, let B be the one that exceeds 9. So, A plus 9. Kasi pareho siya sa una number, kaso exceed lang siya ng 9. So, A plus 9 equals 25. Now, ipagsama natin ang mga like terms, and that is 2A plus 9 equals 25. Transpose natin. And 25 minus 9, kasi nag-minus tayo ng 9 para makancel out dyan. And that is 16. So, A equals 16 divided by 2, 8. So, A is equals to 8. I-recheck natin. A is equals to 8. 8 plus 9 equals 25. Sa parenthesis muna tayo. 8 plus 9, and that is 17 equals 25. So, 8 plus 17 equals 25. So, ang answer dito ay 8. Number 13. The difference between two numbers is 48. Magdeduct tayo kasi difference man. The ratio of the two numbers is 7:3. What are the two numbers? 7:3. Ganito lang yan. 7, let A be our numbers. Our number, I mean. Minus 3A equals 48. I-deduct mo lang sila. And that is 7 minus 3, 4A equals 48. So, A equals 48 divided by 4, and that is 12. So, the answer here is 7 times 12. 7 times 12 equals 14, that is 84. And this one is 12, and that is 36. So, the numbers are 84 and 36. Kung i-check natin, 84 minus 36, and that is 48. So, ito yung sagot dito. Number 14. A number is divided into two parts, such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in ratio 5:3, find the number and the two parts. First, let n be our number. N. Such that one part is 10 more than the other. So, n, tapos yung isa ay n plus 10. Ito, it can be n is to n plus 10 equals 5:3. So, yung 5, doon natin itapat sa mas malaki. And that is 3:5. Or gawin natin ganito. N plus 10 is to n equals 5:3. Kasi ipagsama mo yan. Yung n naman, yan yung 3 natin. Then, let's do this one. N plus 10 over n equals 5/3. Bali, equal ito at equal yan. Next, transpose natin si 3 dito sa kabila. Para mag-transpose tayo ng 3, mag-multiply tayo ng 3 to both sides. So, kung mag-multiply tayo ng 3 to both sides, makancel si 3 dito at dito na si 3. 3 times n plus 10 over n equals 5. Tapos itong si n, i-transpose natin sa kabila, and that will be 3n plus 10 equals 5n. Kasi denominator siya dyan. So, mag-multiply tayo sa both sides ng n. Kaya makancel na si n dito at nandito na si n. 5 times n is 5n. Now, i-multiply muna natin. That is 3n plus 3 times 10, that is 30, equals 5n. Mag-transpose tayo. Pagsama ang mga like terms. So, 30 equals 5n minus 3n. So, 5n minus 3n, that is 2n equals 30. Transpose ulit tayo para ma-isolate si n dyan. That means mag-divide tayo ng 2 sa both sides. So, 30 divided by 2, and that is 15. So, ang number ay 15. So, yung isang number, 15, ito, ang ipangalawang number ay 25. And then, to find that number, we just have to add this 15 plus 25, and that is 40. Tapos yung dalawang part ay 15 at saka 25. Number 15. The cost of 2 tables and 3 chairs is 705. If the table costs 40 more than the chair, find the cost of the table and the chair. First, ang dalawang tables at ang tatlong chairs ay 705 ang cost nila lahat. Tapos, if the table cost 40 more than sa chair, that means 40 more than sa chair. So, si chair, let N be the cost of chair. So, let N be equal to chair na cost. So, N plus 40 equals cost of table. Kasi 40 more than siya sa chair. And then, the cost of 3 chairs, so 3N, the cost of 3 chairs, and the cost of 2 tables, plus yung 2 tables, which is 2N plus 40, ito yung cost ng table, di ba? Ito naman yung sa chair, is equals to 705. So, ito na yung equation natin. Again, the cost of 2 tables and 3 chairs is 705. Ito yun, 705. Tapos, kunin natin yung, para makagawa tayo ng equation. If the table costs 40 more than the chair, so let N be our chair. So, N plus 40 equals cost of table. Find the cost of the table and the chair. So, first, 3 chairs. Tatlong N. So, that is 3N. Plus, dalawang table. Kasi N plus 40, that is cost of a table. Dalawang table. So, 2N. 2 times N plus 40. And this 2 equals 705. So, ito na yung isolve natin. First, 3N plus, this is 2N plus 80 equals 705. So, i-transpose natin. I-add natin yung mga like terms. This is 5N. 3N plus 2N equals 5N. And equals, yung 80, mag-deduct tayo ng both sides. So, that means, makancel out na dito. So, 705 minus 80, and that is 625. Tapos, i-isolate na naman ulit natin si N dito. So, that means, mag-divide tayo ng 5 sa both sides. 625 divided by 5, and that is 125. So, si N, yung chair natin ay 125 ang cost doon. While yung isa, 125 plus 40, yung table, equals 165. Ito yung sa table at ito naman sa chair. So, find the cost of the table and the chair. 125 si chair, si table 165.